Thomas J. Watson, an innovator who changed the business world with IBM 100 years ago. A man who achieved glory with one simple tool, his mind. Benoit Mandelbrot, an innovator who gave fractal geometry to the world. A man who used his mind to reach depths of knowledge earlier considered unreachable. A man IBM is proud of. 2009, IBM India launches the award that recognizes innovation, the Great Mind Challenge for business. Geniuses, pioneers, thinkers, champions. You could call them anything. We call them innovators. Great minds that created things afresh, who took on a challenge and won it. They are the winners of the Great Mind Challenge for Business 2009. Now it's your turn to achieve glory. Your chance to be victorious. Your opportunity to join this extraordinary league of people who innovate with one goal: to change the face of business as we know it. The Great Mind Challenge for Business awaits its next victor. Who will be the one? But first, let's take a look at what the finalists went through. Our panel of judges, second to none in their fields of work.
I think that this program by IBM has a great future and will create lots of heroes, not only for India but also for the world to learn from and emulate.
Based on IBM backbone software, they have been able to serve the nation in so many wonderful fashions. I think it was very, very striking.
It was pretty interesting and intriguing in some of the cases. Perhaps there is much to take home for me as a panelist and also for the other all participants.
I brought in a whole lot of innovative solutions, a whole lot of innovative ideas that I would perhaps otherwise not have heard of. Clearly some untold stories to be told.
During 2 days of my experience, I had gone through the various type of presentations. And some presentations are really amazing.
The ingenuity in their ability to use technology for very, very complex Indian situations and Indian challenges. I think that's where we saw some very interesting examples.
The contest for business, I'm sure, will be as successful as it has been for the students. Clearly, IBM's helping build a smarter planet.
Our finalists, ladies and gentlemen, each one smarter, faster, and sharper than the other.
I think this event is growing year over year and it is becoming interesting.
As the caption says, Great Mind Challenge, it's actually a Great Mind Challenge. There's a lot of hard work involved before you go in present.
It really gives us opportunity to just look back and see that, okay, what we have done, and now that also triggers that, okay, what next we can do it in the future.
Well, the best thing about the IBM technology has been that it is not limiting.
I think it's a very interesting mix of panelists, and they are from varied industries with rich experience.
These judges are really good. In fact, they have grilled us a lot and we have enjoyed that particular piece.
The way the questions were asked shows that they're going in depth.
If I have to say in one word, it simply works.
In this war of minds, there may be one who walks away with a trophy, but there will be thousands of winners, thousands of achievers, thousands of travelers on the road to success and growth. May the best mind win.